Hey everyone, I wanted to share my quick experience with CashASAP, specifically about their interest rates, because when I first tried them, I honestly didn't know what I was getting into. If you're thinking of taking a short-term loan with them, this video will help you understand what the real cost looks like and how to make the best decision. So, here's how it went for me. I applied for a CashASAP payday loan online. The process was super fast, just a few questions about income and expenses. Within minutes, I got approved. But what caught my attention was the interest rate. On paper, it looks small, but remember, it's calculated per day, not per year like a traditional loan. For example, when I borrowed £200, the interest was about 0.8% per day. That doesn't sound bad until you realize that's roughly £1.60 a day, and if you borrow for 30 days, you're paying around £48 in interest. That's a pretty high annual percentage rate, APR, even though you're only borrowing short-term. The good thing though, is that CashASAP shows you the total repayment up front, so you know exactly how much you'll pay back before accepting. In my case, it was very transparent. They displayed the total amount due, including interest, before I confirmed anything. Now, if you're comparing rates, here's what I learned. The representative APR for CashASAP loans is usually over 1,000%, but again, that's how short-term loans are calculated. It doesn't mean you'll actually pay that much unless you keep rolling over the loan. They don't really have different rates. The interest rate is fixed based on your loan type, payday or installment. The installment loans work slightly differently. You can repay over a few months, which spreads out the cost but increases total interest paid. If you're trying to get the best possible rate, your only real control is how quickly you repay. The sooner you pay off, the less interest you pay. That's the key. Even repaying a few days early can save you money. To sum it up, CashASAP is fast and transparent, but the interest rate is high because it's short-term credit. It's fine for emergencies, but definitely not for regular borrowing. If you do use them, always check the total repayment amount, and try to clear it early. That's how you make the most of CashASAP without getting trapped by interest. I hope this helps you make a smarter borrowing decision. If you found this breakdown useful, give it a thumbs up, and let me know your own experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.